Yo, what's up guys? We are Jets. I'm Jets Alex.
I'm Jets Dawn.
So we are the channel who talk about sneaker unboxing, who talk streetwear, and talk about fashion. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. That's intro. So let the 5 minutes countdown.
Okay.
So what are we unboxing today?
You can see this is a very beautiful box. Okay, it's a collab between Converse and Branded.
Oh, okay.
Okay, you can see here. This is the logo. Remember last time Off-White used the box. They also print their writing at here.
Yeah, the Converse one.
Yeah. The size is similar. The
Yeah.
box size is similar. Just the outlook. This is more special. You can see here. Okay, here, okay, and here. Okay, 6 of the side is all covered with different
pattern. Yeah.
Right. So let's take out the shoe.
Let's take out the shoe. Wow, I'm so excited.
Okay.
Wow.
Yeah. I get this shoe by my friend, my close friend. Shout out to Rodney. He helped me get this pair. Damn nice. Okay.
So they do have the extra shoelace here.
Black color.
The black color extra shoelace. So they come with white shoelace and the black
Not really
shoelace.
white.
It's an off-white.
Off-white
color.
color.
Yeah, off-white color shoelace and a black shoelace.
Yeah.
So speaking of the behind story about the brand, so basically Branded is a brand who founded in who was from America. America brand. So founded in 2014, I think. 2014. So basically this brand are inspired by music, like punk music and some comics and skateboardings.
Yeah.
So everything from the brand you're inspired from this kind of things lah.
This feels element.
Yeah, the feel
And
element.
the founder name is Carl Ng.
Yeah,
He
Carl
is American.
he is an American but look like Asian.
Yeah.
So
I think his name also. I think he's an ABC.
yeah, ABC.
American born
Chinese.
I think so.
Yeah.
They didn't mention much. He's a very young guy. This brand previously they made collab with Carhartt. Right? They collab with Carhartt and released one set of the collection. They got pants, they got hat, they got a jacket, they got t-shirts. They put some of their elements, the Branded element into the card. So so the t-shirt and those apparel is not look so workwear. Because you can see Carhartt is a workwear brand and they put Branded element into the Carhartt brand, so it's look like more lifestyle, more colorful. So Branded is a brand that's very strong with their graphic tee.
Yeah,
and you can see
yeah.
Carl Ng always get inspired from different artists, different comic artists, different music. So means their design is not constant, it's always keep on changing. Yeah, this is their specialty.
Okay.
Yeah.
So speaking of the material, you can see all different faces, right? They have different patterns. So this one, they have the cheetah one, and then the back one, they have the star.
Yeah.
So
here you can see zebra.
Yeah, this one is zebra, and then this one is the camel. So basically, the back of them also have the different pattern. So this one I think is the giraffe one, giraffe.
And mine here is
It's like
American
flag,
flag.
pink.
Quite pink.
Yeah.
Right? So got one special here. Can see
Yeah, both of the tongue are different color.
polka dot.
Yeah, they are polka dots.
Polka dot.
Polka dots. Yeah.
So it's considered 8 face is totally all different design.
Yeah.
Right?
And they have some wording here.
Yeah.
So what is that?
Who controls the control man?
Who controls the control man? The same elsewhere. To see and be seen as far as the eye can see.
Who controls the same elsewhere? What is that?
Never mind, we will find the meaning and then
Okay.
we will let you know in the description below, okay?
Okay, see the insole, they have a Branded logo on one side.
Oh, the other side is a Converse logo.
Yeah, so it's obviously they are saying they are making a collab.
Yeah.
Okay, the retail price of this shoe, Malaysia haven't released, so I'm not sure about the retail price. But Singapore retail price is 159 Sing dollar. And about the resale price of this is roughly around 800 to 1000 resale price.
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to release
soon in Malaysia
on coming 2nd of November.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. For the sizing of this shoe, as usual, like the video last time I mentioned, follow the CM size, like the off-white Converse. Okay. For rating of this shoe, I'll rate 9 over 10 because I like the special design one.
Okay. I will rate 7 out of 10 because I don't like the cheetah design. Yeah.
Okay.
So I think this is the end of the unboxing.
Yeah.
So if you like our content, please give us a thumbs up. So if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and please click the notification button. So if you guys have any video, any unboxing or any other things you want to see, please comment in the comments below. Let us know so we'll make the video for you. So signing out.
See you guys next time.
Bye bye.